During rumination, a cow mixes her swallowed feeds with saliva that are rich in important enzymes that help in digestion and stabilizing the rumen pH for effective rumen activity. This is very crucial. Saliva is one very important component in dairy or beef farming. Saliva is just about it. For your information, a cow produces up to even 100, literally over 180 liters of saliva in a day. Over 180 liters of saliva in a day. So if the animal is starved of water, saliva production will be limited. And when saliva production is limited, regurgitation or rumination will be interfered with. And because of that, production will definitely nosedive. Without enough good quality water, rumination will be affected. There will be not enough water to facilitate salivation. Always remember, a big cow produces in excess of 180 liters of saliva to aid rumination in a day. Ruminants cannot extract energy, protein, minerals, trace elements, vitamins from feeds unless the feeds have fermented. Now, this pins down the importance of something called silage making. And you keep on saying farmers in Githunguri, they do a lot of this, they do a lot of machicha, they do a lot of that. The reason is a dairy cow or a beef animal cannot extract nutrients from whatever they feed on unless the same has fermented. So for you to really optimize feed utilization, for effective feed utilization and extraction, you must be deliberate about fermentation. Ruminants are called ruminants because they have an inbuilt chamber called rumen, whose main purpose is to ferment whatever they feed on. And that fermentation takes between 20 and 40 hours, first of all fermenting, before extraction is effected.